and welcome to Essential English Exploration. In today's video, we'll be diving into the fascinating world of formal and informal language, understanding the difference between the two and knowing when to use them is essential for effective communication. So let's get started. What is formal language? Let's begin with formal language. Formal language is used in professional settings. It's polite, structured, and always respectful. You'll often find it in emails, business meetings, academic writing, and official documents. Examples of formal language. 1. Could you please help me? This is polite and professional. 2. I would like to request some information. This shows respect and clarity. Formal language is perfect when you need to sound professional, serious, or respectful. What is informal language? Now, let's talk about informal language. Informal language is used in casual settings. It's relaxed, friendly, and conversational. This type of language is common in everyday conversations with friends, family, or on social media. Examples of informal language. 1. Can you help me? This is casual and straightforward. 2. Hey, what's up? This is friendly and relaxed. Informal language works best in personal or relaxed environments. Key differences between formal and informal language. Let's break it down further. There are 3 main differences between formal and informal language. 1. Vocabulary. 2. Sentence structure. 3. Tone. 1. Vocabulary. Formal language uses professional and precise words. Informal language uses casual and simple words. Examples. Formal. I would like to request your assistance. Informal. Can you help me? 2. Sentence structure. Formal language uses grammatically correct and properly structured sentences. Informal language is more relaxed, often using contractions or incomplete sentences. Examples. Formal. It is important to complete this task. Informal. You need to finish this. 3. Tone. Formal language has a polite and serious tone. Informal language is more personal and friendly. Examples. Formal. We greatly appreciate your cooperation. Informal. Thanks a lot. 1. To use formal language. Now you might be wondering, when should I use formal language? Here are some common situations. When talking to your boss or teacher, when writing an email or academic essay, during professional meetings or presentations. Example of formal language. Dear Sir, Madam, I hope you are doing well. I am writing to request some important information. This type of language is perfect for maintaining a professional tone. This type of language is perfect for maintaining a professional tone. One to use informal language. On the other hand, informal language is ideal for casual situations like talking to friends and family, sending text messages, or chatting on social media. Any relaxed or personal setting. Example of informal language. Hey, wanna hang out later? This sounds friendly and approachable. Quick quiz, formal or informal? Let's make this interactive. I'll say a sentence, and you guess whether it's formal or informal. 1. Could you kindly assist me? Formal. 2. What's up, buddy? Informal. 3. It is essential to attend the meeting. Formal. 4. Let's grab some lunch. Informal. How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments. Conclusion. In conclusion, mastering the difference between formal and informal language is crucial for improving your communication skills. Remember, use formal language in professional settings to sound respectful and serious. Use informal language in casual conversations to sound friendly and relaxed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Essential English Exploration for more educational content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.